As a LINC Systems customer, you probably know we supply all major brands of strapping tools. But do you know about the additional services we provide to help you improve your productivity? Fast, efficient tool repair is critical to your operation, and we strive for high-quality repairs and fast turnaround times. With Rapid Repair, you can expect tools repaired by authorized factory technicians and shipped within 72 hours, competitive pricing, free return shipping on all tools. Plus, we also clean every tool and offer a 30-day parts and labor warranty. Our trained Rapid Repair technicians minimize costly downtime and increase productivity. Plus, LINC technicians can also help you with your end-of-the-line packaging equipment repairs. Ask your LINC rep for more details. Take advantage of our Rapid Repair program today. Just visit lincsystems.com/rapid-repair or call 800-513-9918.